Now we're at the battery switch panel. It's on the port side of the console, and this is what controls all batteries on board this vessel. To energize the various DC switches, the first step is to slide down the small cover that is on the rocker switch. The next step is to depress the LED switch. It's the red area of the battery switch. When you do that, you'll see that a red telltale illuminates. Now, all the batteries for the engines, house, generator, bow thruster are in the on position. Beneath these battery switches are individual breakers for all the appliances on this boat. If one of these pops out, that means it needs to be reset by pressing it back in. When you're finished using the boat for the day, or if you're going to be away from it for more than a few hours, I'll suggest that you turn off all the battery switches. To do that, you slide the black cover up over the part of the switch that says on. Now you'll be able to depress the switch where it says off. The red telltale LED light will turn off at that point, indicating that all of your battery switches are not energized any longer.